kids, good afternoon. Today we will see the unit 15 and the topic is what makes things move. The expected learning outcome is determine meanings of words and phrases, okay? So let's begin. Activities for today. Number 1, watch the video, what makes things move. Number 2, vocabulary introduction. Number 3, student book, page 148. And finally, number 4, workbook, pages 128 and 129. Okay, we will start. You need to use the workbook and you need to also have your student book in the notebook, okay? Because you will copy something in the notebook. Let's begin with the video. Before we see the video, we have some questions that you may ask, like, how do things move? Which things move fast? What things move slowly? What is movement? Okay, let's watch the video. Sometimes we push and sometimes we pull. Speed is how fast things move. These boys are pushing and pulling the rows so the boat can move. We see things move every day. Squirrel and the goat. Okay, well, you saw the video. Now you are able to answer the activity about the video. Please, you can watch this video one more time, okay, as before you answer the activity. So in this one, you will answer these questions in your language arts notebook, and you have to write the date, the roll number, the topic, and also read the instructions and write the video symbol. Question 1, what did you see in the video? I saw people and animals and places. I saw children and toys. I saw animals and cars. Question 2, what do you think the video was about? I think it was about nature. I think it was about movement. I think it was about emotions. Question 3, what is a question you may ask about the video? What is a mountain? How things feel? Or what makes things move? Please, you will choose your answer and you will copy this activity in your notebook, okay? Remember to watch the video first and then answer the questions, okay? Good. Let's continue. Now it's time for the vocabulary, okay? For this vocabulary, I have to go back to the other, one moment because I don't have it. I have to put like this so I can hear the vocabulary. Listen to it, please. The point is...
Page 148.
Let me stop. Open your student book first on page 148 and then write the date, look at the pictures, and use the highlighted to underline the words. Remember, listen first, listen again, and repeat the words. Please, listen.
Unit 15. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Push, pull, movement, ground, throw, speed, heavy, light, easy.
Repeat now.
Push,
Push,
pull,
pull,
movement,
movement,
ground,
ground,
throw,
throw,
speed,
speed,
heavy,
heavy,
light,
light, easy. Okay, we stop here. And remember, push is the movement that you do with your hands. Okay, you push. Pull is when you move toward you something with your hands, you pull. Movement, this is a movement, side to side. Ground is similar to the soil or land. Throw, I have a piece of paper, for example, and I throw it. There was a trash can, okay? Speed is like velocity, okay? Heavy is like the elephant, is very heavy. Light, like the feather of a bird. And 1 + 1 is equals to, that is easy, okay? Maybe you don't see the last 3 words here in the video, but in your book, you can see them, okay? So review this vocabulary because you will answer activity B in your student book. Let's pass to the activity B. Let me see, right here. Well, we have word categories, 3 categories of words, verbs, nouns, and adjectives. Verbs, push, pull, and throw. Nouns, speed, ground, and movement. Adjectives, easy, heavy, and light. This is the classification of the vocabulary, okay? Verbs, nouns, and adjectives. Push, I push the chair. Pull, I pull the chair. Throw, I throw the ball. Speed, the speed is very slow. Ground, don't leave it on the ground. Movement, make this movement. Easy, mathematics is easy. Heavy, an elephant is heavy. Light, the pen is light, okay? Now, let's continue with your activities. Activity B, circle the correct word. You have sentences, you have to read the sentences, and in the front you have 2 answers. Please circle the correct word. When you finish this activity, check your answers with your ebook. Okay? Go to your ebook, check this answer, and make the corrections if you are incorrect. Then, for example, we have the number 1. I did the math problems quickly. They were very easy. And easy is circle. 2. The horse is fast. The tortoise can chase it because the of the tortoise is too slow. Speed of movement. 3. The farmer's carrots out of the ground. Push or pull. 4. Birds' feathers are very heavy or light. 5. Farmers grow food in the landfill or ground. 6. The ball to his friends, throws or catches. Okay? So remember, check vocabulary and complete this activity. Continue. Now, you will open your workbook on page 128 and let's answer the big question chart together. Because we're not in the classroom, as in the instruction says, write 3 things you can move in your classroom. What kind of force do you use to move them? I decided that I will help you a little, okay? Things that you move. I say we move chairs. How you move the chairs? How you move them? We push or pull them. Another thing that you move is the door. You can push or pull the door. And one more is the bookshelf. You can push or pull a bookshelf, like the ones that we have in the classroom where you put the books, the cubicles. Okay, that's bookshelf. Now the next one, you will write one thing you move every day in your bedroom. I don't know what you have in your bedroom, so you will answer that individually, okay? Let's continue now with the review. This is the review from the units 13 and 14. Sorry, this is very hard. Exercise A says circle the odd one out. What is the odd one? Is the one that doesn't go with the others. For example, push and pull are opposites. Rescue is a very different verb. That's why you circle it. Speed, feelings, and movement. Which of these 3 words doesn't go with this list? Push, throw, and weight. Light, high, and heavy. Here, circle the word that doesn't go with the rest. In the exercise B, it says, look at the pictures and write the words. We have 3 words, ground, movement, and push. Push is crossed out because you have push here. So you only need to write ground and movement. Look at the pictures and write the correct words. Okay, do it individually. Good. Let's continue. In the exercise C, it says, circle the correct words. When I push or pull something, I'm behind it. So the answer is circle, push. Number 2, the book is on the shelf. There is or there isn't movement. If the book is on the shelf, imagine this is a shelf. The book is moving? Is or isn't? Circle the correct answer. Number 3, speed is how fast things move or pull. Number 4, it's easy to pull a light or a heavy thing. 5, I throw a ball. My friend doesn't catch it. It falls to the sunlight or to the ground. 6, I can push and pull or weight a chair. Please answer this activity and also check your answers with the ebook information, okay? Continue. Now, in the exercise it says complete the story. In this activity, I will read the story and you will listen and complete it. Use the words from the box. Easy, push, pushes, movement, heavy, ground, light, and pulls. Pulls is already used, okay? So I will read it and you will listen and complete. Johnny and Joey put a lot of snow on their wagon. Joey pulls the wagon and Johnny pushes it. But it doesn't move. There isn't any movement. The wagon is too heavy. Joey and Johnny have an idea. They push a lot of snow off the wagon. The snow falls to the ground. The wagon is light now, so it's easy to pull. The boys are happy. Okay, complete the activity, and when you finished, please, you can check your answers with your e-book, okay? Or you can listen to me again and again until you write the answers, okay? Good, let's continue. Now it's time for homework. This is your homework and it says this worksheet is for homework. It is in the calendar. Answer it and send evidence through the calendar, please. Write the name, the role, the date. Vocabulary is the topic. Activity 1 says, look at the pictures and circle their meanings. Look at the picture and circle pull or get. Roll or push. Throw or catch. Difficult or easy. Light or heavy. Okay? When you have circled the answer, you will do the activity 2. It says, complete the chart and use the answers from activity 1. What does it mean? The word that you circled will be classified into verbs, nouns, or adjectives. I already gave you the nouns and 1 adjective. You need to give me the 3 verbs from the answers and might be 1 adjective, okay? Because we have 1 adjective there. So please complete this activity on your own. And if you have any questions, you can watch this video as many times as you want. Please check your ebooks, do your Oxford platform, Unit 14, okay, on your time, and review. I will send you a PowerPoint if you can see this video, okay? So I'm happy that you are in this moment taking the class because I know that you are, and I'm so proud of you because you are working so hard and you have done all my activities. So there is nothing more to say. Please do my homework, send my homework through the calendar, and the class is finished. Goodbye.